Welcome to the GardenHues website.
We're here to support gardeners at every stage, from absolute beginners to those looking to take their skills to a professional level. And here's what you'll find.
Online courses, whether you're just starting out or wanting to become a professional gardener. Our step-by-step video courses are designed to build your confidence and knowledge.
One-to-one garden consultations. Need tailored advice? We offer personalised consultations to help you plan, improve or troubleshoot your garden, whatever the size.
In our shop, explore our range of handcrafted products, including botanical artwork, wooden decorations, nature-inspired gifts and practical tools perfect for gardeners and garden lovers alike.
Free resources and inspiration. Through our blog and YouTube channel, we regularly share tips, ideas and real-world guidance to help you grow well and keep learning.
At GardenHues, we combine expert horticultural knowledge with a creative approach, making gardening accessible, enjoyable and rewarding.
So whether you're here to learn, get advice, find something special or simply be inspired, you're in the right place.
Welcome to GardenHues. Let's get growing.